Okay, so now we have an application once more of logarithms, and we're asked to solve the problem. And it says, suppose that the salinity S of ocean water at a given depth D is modeled by the equation S of D equals 33.1 plus 1.2 times the log of D plus 1, where S is measured in grams of salt per kilogram of water, and D is measured in meters. What is the salinity when the depth is 572 meters? And it asks us to round our answer to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so let's think about this for a second. What have they given us? So if I look at the problem once more, they gave me a depth which is 572 meters. In other words, they've given me D. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to write that down. D equals 572. So if this is S of D, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 572 and I'm going to plug it into the function. So this is fairly simple. So I'm going to say, okay, let's see here, 1 second. 33.1 plus 1.2 times the log, and then I have 572 plus 1, okay? Because this right here is the D, the depth. Okay, so that's 572, and let me just take this back just a little bit, make it a little more clear in my writing. Okay, so 572 plus 1, which we know this works out to be 573. So this is not too bad. You just plug it in again on your calculator, and we end up getting something like this, 36.41, and this is grams of salt. Grams of salt. Oh, that does not look very nice. Give me 1 second. Grams of salt per kilogram of water. So this is basically the salinity of the ocean water at this depth for this application problem.